Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how service works through the Tesla app. So whether you need your car towed, roadside assistance, or if you're able to drive your vehicle yourself to Tesla, how you'd go about setting up service and what that process looks like. So what you're going to do is launch the Tesla app. And what you do when you're selected on your Tesla vehicle that needs service is we're going to scroll down. And once we scroll down towards the bottom, if you're able to drive your Tesla to the service center to get work done on it, then you're going to go through the service option. However, if you need to be towed because it's not safe to drive your vehicle, or if you're on the side of the road, for instance, and you need assistance with that, then you're going to select the roadside assistant option. So we'll select that first so I can show you what that looks like. In this area, you're going to select whichever issue is most similar to what you're experiencing in your Tesla. And then you're going to get in contact through chat with Tesla. You can tell them exactly what's wrong with your vehicle and whether you need towing or not. And then they can hook you up with a towing service. And you'll be able to have your location, which you can just use through the app, the GPS location of where you are. And they can use that information to help the towing service find you. And going through this process is automatically going to create a service appointment for your vehicle. So going back to the previous page, it's also worth noting when you're going through the service process, anytime you get sent a message by Tesla service, you'll get a little icon up here. You'll get a little Tesla notification on your phone. And when you open up your chat area, you'll have the chat history of your service appointment so that you can send those messages back and forth between yourself and the people at Tesla that are going to walk you through and help you through this process to get that service set up and ready to go. Now, if you're able to safely drive your vehicle to the service center, then you can set up your appointment through the service menu right here. From there, you can request service and you can enter in exactly what is wrong with your vehicle. And then you can pick a date and time that will work best for you for dropping off your Tesla at the service center. And I just had service completed on my Tesla Model Y, so I thought it'd be a great time to make this video so I can see that my service is complete. So when I click on this, I can see right here the repairs that were done. Now, it wasn't safe for me to drive my Tesla into the service center because the power steering wasn't working quite right, and I needed to get it towed, but that wasn't one of the options, so I just clicked that the vehicle was shutting down during driving. But I had additionally let them know through the chat exactly what was wrong with my vehicle, that it was a power steering issue, and I also let the guy who came and towed my vehicle what was wrong with it as well. In this area, you're also able to message back and forth the service team. And clicking here on the service for my vehicle, it's going to have every step of the service process so that you can see exactly what's going on throughout this entire process of getting the service done on your vehicle. So you set up the appointment. The issue that was wrong with my car was covered by warranty, so I didn't have a cost estimate. But if it's not covered by warranty, you'll get your cost estimate here before they start doing the work. So you can check on that in step 2. It's also possible that you could get a loaner vehicle from Tesla throughout this process, which can be pretty handy and nice. So then dropping off your vehicle, if you're able to drive it there, you can drop it off. Otherwise, if you get it towed there, this will be taken care of. Once they're done with the service, they're going to do a final review and they're going to notify you when your vehicle is ready to be picked up. Like I said, the work that was done on my car was covered by warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything. So it already says payment complete. If you do have to pay for the service, you will do so in this area. And then once you head over to the service center, you can pick up your vehicle once it's located so you can do the begin pickup process. Then once everything is done, you can get a summary of the service that was done. You can also share feedback on the service process if you would like to do that. But that's pretty much it. So this is the step-by-step process on how to set up service, whether you need your vehicle towed in and getting that roadside help, or whether you're setting up a regular service appointment through the homepage of the Tesla app for your Tesla vehicle. But again, I thought I'd just make a quick overview video of the whole service process, what to expect, how to go through this in the app, and what it looks like. I hope it was helpful to those who are curious or interested. Maybe it's the first time you're taking in your Tesla vehicle for service and you're just looking for some information on exactly how to do it. But that's going to wrap this one up. Thank you to Joa for supporting this video. Please consider supporting my channel by clicking the Joa link down in the description to shop their premium Tesla products and accessories. Using my Joa link will apply my exclusive discount code thanks to any items that you may be interested in. Thank you.